So we're gonna make a drum today. Do you guys know what a drum is? A hand drum? What's the word in Mi'kmaq? Jigamahan? Okay. And we're gonna make it from moose hide. This one is already cut and already has holes in it. What we're going to do is spread it out like a big pizza pie. We use moose hide and deer hide and elk, buffalo, and sometimes we use goat. You see how the hide is all wet? That allows it to stretch. Pull it tight right here. See that? That's what you want to do. Awesome. We keep going back and forth, back and forth. Good job. But make sure it's nice and tight too, right? What I wanted to share was that my Uncle George taught me how to make a drum. We have 3 generations of drum makers, from my uncle and my mother to myself to my son. We're making drums that help us communicate to the spirits that help us.